Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Fix. Be nice to have a look at this Biasi Riva Plus. The boiler is not doing anything, it just got a red light on, and when you reset it, the left green light is just flashing. Even if you open the tap or put the demand center heating, it doesn't do anything at all. It's not sending any power to the pump. So in this video, we're going to diagnose it, hopefully repair it, and I'll be sharing that with you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hot water?
I don't remember. College for that. I like, but need time.
Right guys, I've tried the taps, they didn't work. The customer can't remember which ones are hot and cold, but anyway, I tried both taps. The boiler wouldn't fire up. I've looped the thermostat and the boiler still wouldn't light up, fire up. I also disconnected the clock from the back. The boiler was still not fired up. So anyway, no power going to the pump. That's all the problem was. So if no power is going to the pump, the board is faulty. Right. And it's not working, no power to the pump, nothing, yeah? So we're gonna change the board on this. Here's a new board. So we're changing that baby there. And it's going inside there. I think the Biasi circuit boards are probably the most difficult to change. I can't think of any other boards that are harder to change than Biasi. If you can, let me know in the comment box. Right guys, change the board on it. The heating is working. The hot water is also working. Hot water sun. Yeah, that's working. Guys, sorted this Biasi out. It wasn't doing anything, wasn't sending any power to the pump. So the board was faulty on it. We changed the board on it and it's all working fine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Fix.